explorers, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. Let us begin with chapter number 21 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is comprehension, right? So, what is comprehension, right? Comprehension आखिर है क्या? Yes. So, reading comprehension is actually एक पैराग्राफ होता है या फिर एक स्टोरी होती है जो कि हमें पैराग्राफ फॉर्म में दी होती है, राइट? उसे हमें रीड करना होता है और नीचे उन्हीं कंटेंट से क्रिएटेड कुछ क्वेश्चंस होते हैं जो कि हमें आंसर करने होते हैं अपने रीडिंग बेसिस पर, राइट? So that is what we have to do in a comprehension. So let us begin with the chapter and know more about that. तो एज यू कैन सी कि यहाँ पर हमें एक स्टोरी दी हुई है, राइट? नाउ दे हैव सेड दैट रीड द स्टोरी वेरी केयरफुली। तो हमें इस स्टोरी को बहुत ही ज्यादा ध्यान से पढ़ना है। तो लेट्स सी। वंस देयर वाज अ मैन, ही वाज वेरी पुअर। सो एक नाउ दिस इज द स्टोरी दैट वी आर रीडिंग। लेट्स कंटिन्यू फ्रॉम द मार्केट। The next day, it laid a golden egg. The hen started laying a golden egg every day. The man was very happy. His wife was very greedy. She told the man that there must be a treasure of golden eggs inside the hen. The man also became greedy. They both wanted to have all the eggs at once. So the man took a knife and cut the hen. To his surprise, he did not find even a single golden egg there. He realized his mistake, but it was too late. Right? तो हमने अब ये स्टोरी पढ़ ली, राइट? अब नेक्स्ट पार्ट है, हमें क्वेश्चंस को पढ़ना है और उनके आंसर्स लिखने हैं फ्रॉम द पैराग्राफ। So the very first question that is written over here is who was greedy? So who was greedy? They say that his wife was greedy. Right? Next question is where does the man buy a hen from? So we read this in the paragraph that he bought the hen from the market. Right? Moving ahead to the next question. What did the man's wife tell him? So, जो मैन था उसकी वाइफ ने उसे क्या बताया? That there is a treasure inside the hen. You? Next, when did the man realize his mistake? So, when was the time when the man actually realized his mistake? When it was too late. Right? Moving ahead. We have what kind of egg did the hen lay every day? This is the simplest question, right? The hen laid a golden egg. So, next, change the gender of the following words. तो यहाँ पे कुछ words हैं जिनके genders हमें change करने हैं, right? So, the first word is hen. Hen का जो gender है वो क्या होता है opposite? It is cock. So, we'll write cock over here. Next, man, woman. Moving ahead, we have wife, husband, girl, boy. Next, write the opposite of the following words. तो यहाँ पर हमें opposite लिखना है इन सभी words का. Let's read the words. Happy, sad, poor, rich, inside, outside, day, night. Right? So, this was all about the comprehension that we read above. Right? इसी तरीके से क्वेश्चंस आएंगे एंड यू ऑल हैव टू आंसर देम फ्रॉम द पैराग्राफ ओनली बाय द हेल्प ऑफ योर रीडिंग स्किल्स, राइट? अब आप लोग देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पर हमें बहुत सारे एग्जाम्पल्स भी दिए हुए हैं फॉर योर प्रैक्टिस. सो दिस इज योर होमवर्क. काइंडली मार्क इट एज योर होमवर्क एंड यू ऑल आर सपोज टू practice them at your home, right? So that was all from my side. I hope you all enjoyed it and you all learned something new. So thank you so much and have a great day ahead.